Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Kuldeep Kumar Pawar, Professor EC Department, Chandigarh University, Mohali. Today, I am going to present my paper on modified Sierpinski carpet fractal antenna for wireless application for the paper submission ID 111. So, fractal antenna. A fractal antenna is an antenna that uses a fractal self-similar design to maximize the length. Fractal antennas are also referred to as multi-level and space-filling curves, and the key aspects lies in their repetition of motif over two or more scale sizes known as iterations. So for this reason, fractal antennas are very compact in size and multi-band in nature. So application of the fractal antenna are cellular, telephone, and microwave communication. The aim of this paper is to provide solution to the antenna requirements mainly for low-powered wireless communication system, ensuring size reduction and multi-band characteristics. So these are the iterations of the proposed antenna. In the first antenna, there is a diagram related to the zero iteration. The first figure shows the zero iteration. This is a size of 30 mm by 30 mm. Then we have a first iteration by using the scaling factor of 1 by 3. The inside cut is 10 mm by 10 mm. Then we have the second iteration. We have cut for scare of size 3.33 mm, again using the scale factor of 1.3, 1 by 3. So this is the detailed view of the Sierpinski carpet fractal antenna at second iteration. We have a 30 mm by 30 mm size material using the FR4 substrate. Then inside scare we have 10 mm into 10 mm using the 1 by 3 scaling factor. Then in the second iteration we have 3.3 mm size scare using a scaling factor of 1 by 3. So this figure shows the Sierpinski carpet fractal antenna at second iteration. So after doing the simulation of this second iteration of the antenna, we get the return loss characteristics as shown in the figure for the zero iteration. So this antenna resonates at 2.34 gigahertz. Then we have the return loss for the first iteration. This is the simulated return loss for the first iteration. It has a resonant frequency of 4.51 gigahertz. The simulated return loss of antenna for second iteration. So it shows the multiple resonant frequency. So we can see the 5 bands are there. 5 bands are there. And we can summarize the return loss or resonant frequency for this. At zero iteration, the resonant frequency is 2.34 gigahertz and 30 megahertz bandwidth is there, and gain obtained is 5.30. Then we have the first iteration, resonant frequency is 4.51 gigahertz, bandwidth is 50 megahertz, gain obtained is 3.79. Second, resonant frequency 5.10 gigahertz, bandwidth obtained is 30 megahertz, gain obtained is 2.80, and this is the elevation radiation pattern for the simulated antenna. This is the azimuth radiation pattern for the simulated antenna. So this figure shows the total field gain versus frequency characteristics of the simulated antenna. We can see the gain at different resonant frequency. Satisfactory gain is obtained at the resonant frequencies. This is the VSW characteristics for the simulated antenna, and for the resonant frequencies its value lies between 1 and 2. So this is the snapshot of the fabricated antenna. This is fabricated using FR4 substrate and SMA connector is used. Now after fabricating the antenna is tested. Then the measure return loss of proposed antenna with second iteration. We have obtained 3 resonant frequency for the fabricated antenna. First frequency at 3.405 GHz and return loss is -35.66, and the second resonant frequency is 4.49 -10.86 as the return loss. Third resonant frequency at 5.13 GHz with a return loss of -22.81. So we can summarize the tested results of the proposed antenna. First resonant frequency 3.40, second resonant frequency 4.49, and 5.13 is the third resonant frequency with a good return loss. Then the summarized results of the proposed antenna. Size in mm is 30 by 30. 5 resonant frequencies are obtained: 5.10 GHz, 6.82 GHz, 7.28 GHz, 10.08 GHz and 10.37 GHz. And the measured resonant frequencies are 3.4, 4.49, 5.13. So we can see the error in resonant frequency is 33%, but in actual the error is only 0.3% when we compare 5.10 and 5.13. So reflection coefficient, good return loss is obtained, -11.76, -14.68, -16.58, -11.46, -2.490 for the respective simulated resonant frequencies. Then we have the simulated gain in dBi, that is 2.80, 8.97, 3.66, 4.32, 2.37 for the respective simulated resonant frequencies. Then the directivity in dBi 6.81, 10.61, 7.59, 9.22, 8.49 for the respective resonant frequencies. And VSWR, that is voltage standing wave ratio, lies between 1 to 2 for the resonant frequencies. Then we have the simulated bandwidth 30 MHz, 40 MHz, 40 MHz, then 20 MHz and 110 MHz for all the simulated resonant frequencies. We obtain the simulated bandwidth. Then for the measured frequencies, the bandwidth lies 100 MHz, 50 MHz and 190 MHz for the respective measured resonant frequencies for the fabricated antenna. The key contribution of this paper is the research reported in this paper has contributed to several aspects in the domain of antenna engineering. It presents a strategy to design and simulate modified Sierpinski carpet fractal multiband antenna using FR4 substrate suitable for modern low-powered wireless communication systems. It has been found that this antenna provides better efficiency and is recommended for use in various low-power handheld devices suitable for wireless communication applications such as Wi-Fi, WiMAX communication, and weather monitoring. So the conclusion is the fabricated antenna provides gain with smaller dimensions which was earlier obtained with greater dimensions. So we have reduced our size. In this way, the size of the fabricated antenna is reduced while holding the same gain. So we can say the antenna is compact and multiband in nature and utilized in low-powered wireless communication applications. So modified Sierpinski carpet antenna resonates at 5.10 GHz, 6.82 GHz, 7.28 GHz, 10.08 GHz, and 10.37 GHz. So these are the references related to our research. So thank you very much. This is the presentation about the modified Sierpinski carpet antenna for practical application. Now the session is open for the question and answer regarding this paper. Thank you very much.